Over the years, I would say that my leadership philosophy has been impacted very heavily by women in the field, which makes sense. Starting early in my career, I began reading Brené Brown. And I am not sure there is a Brené Brown book that I have not read. And if you haven't read her yet, she's got one for pretty much every stage of life, whether you're early in your career and you're just kind of learning about yourself, you're late in your career, you're learning to lead. Love her. And then there's a woman, she's passed away recently. Her name was Sarah White. She was very impactful in the pharmacy space. She was an early pharmacy female leader, and I had the opportunity to meet her early in my career. She came to talk to our residents, and she became just a great influence in my life. She helped me get involved in the American Society of Health Systems Pharmacists. She helped me get involved in a leadership training course that they did, and was just a big advocate for me early in my professional career. So, she had a lot of writings that she worked on in the pharmacy space, and early in my career involved me in authoring one along with a number of other young pharmacist authors. So she was very impactful. But lately, I try to read just kind of all over, just looking for good influences. I'm a big fan of Daniel Pink as well. I was looking back at my reading. I can't believe I haven't read a Simon Sinek book yet, but I've listened to a lot of his different talks and podcasts. There's a woman on TikTok who I love, and I feel terrible for not knowing her name, but she talks a lot about body language and learning from that and how to interact with people based on our body language. And that's been something that I haven't heard a lot of focus about in the pharmacy world or the healthcare world, but I think is really important. So I've been trying to incorporate a lot of those lessons too. So, you can learn in any different platform, and I like to take information in a lot of different ways. So sometimes it's a book, sometimes it is, reading things like the 340B report or legislation, but also, I find a lot of good learning on TikTok too. So I like to keep it fresh.